Hello viewers, you are welcome to agbeTV on YouTube. My name is Chief Rasheed Ademola Adegbola. On my last video on handling of rabbit, I browsed through slaughtering of rabbit, but my followers said they want slaughtering of rabbit to be in details. Today, I am bringing a full video on slaughtering of rabbit on the farm. There is no slaughter slab, therefore we don't have all necessary equipment to use, but we have the rabbit and the slaughter knife, and I will show you the step by step of how to slaughter the rabbit. Hold the rabbit safely the way I've done it. Grasp a fold of skin over the soldier and support the rump with the other hand as I'm holding it with the other hand. You can see it that the hind leg is pointed away from the person holding the rabbit. And to hold the rabbit safely during slaughtering, you have to follow the hind legs as I'm holding it. You can see the knife and you can see the hind legs, and you restrain the legs. You restrain, can you see? You restrain the hind legs with your own leg. Can you see? You restrain the hind legs with your own leg so that it will not be able to bite you. Then you pull it through the air. You restrain, look at the leg. I've restrained the hind legs so that it won't wound me. And the knife must be very sharp. And during slaughtering, you identify the neck to cut the throat with the sharp knife. Don't forget, you have restrained the legs, the hind legs of the animal. And you hold the ear, hold the head away from yourself so that it won't bite. And the knife will be very sharp for you to cut the throat. Thereafter, you wash with clean water. After washing the clean water, when the blood is gushed out, you hold it back again to show that it has been slaughtered. You know, this is for a demonstration purpose, and that is why we are showing you. And don't forget the steps. Hold the ear together with a fold of skin over the soldier. Hold the hind legs and restrain before you slaughter. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Until I bring another video to your views again, my name is Chief Rasheed Ademola Adegbola, and I'm welcoming any question relating to agriculture. You can call me on 080-340-34381. 080-340-34381. Until I bring another video to your views again, I'm yours sincerely. Bye.